नमस्कार। आर के त्यागी, गाज़ियाबाद एनसीआर दिल्ली। ओम सच्ची जनवाणी चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें। आपका एक ही सेकंड खर्च होगा और हमारी कुछ मदद होगी, चैनल का विस्तार होगा। वीडियो को शेयर, लाइक, कमेंट करें। शेयर करने से सभी रिटायरीज साथियों तक जाएगी। रिटायरीज को मोरलाइज मोटिवेट करेगी। बैंक पेंशनर्स के इशूज़ प्रोपोगेट होंगे और हमारे इशूज़, व्यूज़ और न्यूज़ लोगों तक जाएंगे। ऑल सेक्शंस ऑफ सोसाइटी, ऑल सेक्शंस ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज तक जाएंगे, गवर्नमेंट तक जाएंगे और सभी रिटायरी साथियों को मोटिवेट, मोबिलाइज करेंगे। आइए एक लेटर की चर्चा करते हैं। हे शुक्ला जी हैं, श्री JN शुक्ला जी, उन्होंने लेटर लिखा है। श्री MV राव, चेयरमैन इंडियन बैंक एसोसिएशन मुंबई, SMIRD@centralbank.co.in, chairman@iba.org.in। ये मेल हैं जिन पर इन्होंने भेजा है। डियर श्री राव सर, पेंशनर्स stuck their eyes on your initiative. JN on residual issues, 8th March 24. In continuation of our mail dated 5 June 24, we are not yet aware of any steps being taken regarding insertion of periodic pension revision clause in the pension regulations in the light of the consensus agreed in the joint note dated 8 March 24, though over 3 months have been passed. However, in our considered opinion, the said decision to include the clause of periodic pension revision is fundamentally absurd, and to say that there is no provision for pension updation is a complete lie. Clause 35(1) is applicable. How can it be said that there is no updation clause? Saying so in the affidavit filed in the Supreme Court becomes a cognizable offense. The issue of inserting the periodic updation clause is an attempt by IBA to prove the lie in the Supreme Court as truth. In view of clause 35(1), IBA's statement that there is no provision for pension updation cannot be proved. This question has to be answered by those who are saying that there is no provision for pension updation in the bank pension regulations. The Honorable Supreme Court will not accept this lie. On this, when it has been decided to insert the clause of periodical pension updation, it has three meanings inter alia. 1, due to the absence of this clause, pension updation was not taking place. 2, it means that the pension revision has been accepted in principle, and there 3 and there that this is an administrative task and you have to do it. In such a situation, is there any justification in keeping the pension updation clause hanging? It is not an act which will be made by Government of India or passed by the Parliament notified with the assent of he President of India. Sir, do something, take some responsibility, understand the situation by placing yourself in the age group of 80, 85 and 90. If you cannot wish to stress on your mind, then take stock of the people of this age group to see what is the material condition of those who are demanding their rights from you. They are not requesting any mercy, compassion or grace, but are demanding their earned rights, pension being deferred wages. as far sub judice issue is considered, as far sub judice issue is concerned, please use your legal machinery. There is no stay and matter being of contract can be settled out of court. Further, we request you to look into latest SBI case decided constituting a committee with the permission of Delhi High Court. Similarly, IBA DFS may and taking permission from the Supreme Court without going further in the argument. Pension revision has to be done on RBI lines. This is crux of the issue. Pension in RBI has been revised to the previous salary level. The modalities of revision have been decided in RBI. Whatever has been done in RBI, same is to be done in banks pension revision matter. It's all to be done at the administrative level, and the pension of the pensioner till 31st October 22 has to be revised. We understand that this will not expose the lies of IBA before the Supreme Court and protect the credibility of IBA. Regards, J.N. Shukla, National Convener. Copy to Dr. Vivek Joshi, Secretary DFS, MOFG, Government of India, New Delhi, for kind attention. और ये इन्होंने इसका हिंदी में भी अनुवाद दिया है, लेकिन क्योंकि सेम है तो इसलिए इसे वो करने का कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है। तो ये लेटर था और ये मैंने आपको बताया है। नमस्कार, आर के त्यागी।